If you're looking for a quick and easy way to send and receive money, Cash App is one of the simplest tools out there. And today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to sign up in just a few minutes. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share a tip to unlock all of Cash App's features and even earn free money by inviting friends. First, download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play and open it on your phone. The very first thing you'll see is a screen asking you to enter either your phone number or your email address. This is how Cash App will send you verification codes, so make sure you enter the one you actually use. Once you receive your code, type it in to verify your account. Next, Cash App will prompt you to add a bank account using your debit card. This step helps you connect your money so you can send and receive payments right away, but you do have the option to skip it and add your bank later. After that, you'll enter your name. It's best to use your real name here for smooth transactions. Now comes one of the coolest parts, choosing your cash tag. This is your unique Cash App username that doubles as your payment link. For example, cash.app/$ your cash tag. It can be anywhere from 1 to 20 characters, but it must include at least one letter. Choose something simple and memorable so friends and family can easily find you. Then you'll enter your ZIP code. After that, Cash App will ask if you'd like to sync your contacts. If you allow it, the app will automatically show you which of your friends are already using Cash App, making it easier to send or request money. If you'd rather keep things private, you can skip this step and add contacts manually later. Once you complete these steps, your account is officially set up. At this stage, it will be a restricted account, meaning you can still link your bank and receive funds, but you won't be able to send money directly from your Cash App balance until you verify your identity. To fully unlock all features like higher transfer limits and instant payments, you'll just need to provide some additional personal details like your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your SN. And here's a bonus tip. Cash App has a referral program that rewards you with $15 for every friend you invite who signs up and sends their first $5. It's a simple way to get some free cash just for sharing the app. So there you have it. Signing up for Cash App is quick, easy, and can be done in under 5 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and check the description for my referral link to get your bonus cash when you sign up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.